Hello friends, James Corbett here, CorbettReport.com. I get dozens of emails and voice messages and comments every single week asking in one form or another about how to use the website. So I thought I would make a video where I actually show people exactly how to use the website. So if you do have some of these questions, hopefully they will be answered here. For example, recently I had the question about show notes. I'm always talking about show notes. Show notes. Where are these show notes that I'm always talking about in all my videos? Well, if you're watching on YouTube, for example, if you're watching A New World Next Week, you can just click down into the description here, and all of the show notes are right here in the description. So links to all of the stories we talk about, all of the related stories, all of the flashback links and New World Next Week updates, Good News Next Week, the previous episode, all of those show notes are right there, right in the YouTube description. But for most of my videos, you'll see in the description, it will not only be the description of the video, but usually up front and center, it will say something like show notes in MP3. Sometimes it's just show notes, sometimes transcript. But if you click on that, you can actually get right to the website where it will have, in this case, the audio MP3, which you can play in this player, or you can download the MP3 via this link. Or, and then it'll have the description, and then the embed of the YouTube video and the show notes. So again, all of the articles that we talk about there. And of course, underneath that, the subscriber comments. So that's the show notes, and that's where they are. But what if you're on CorbettReport.com and looking for a specific episode or interview or podcast or article? Well, obviously the front page has the featured video, which by the way is not always the latest video. It's just a featured video. It could be an old video. It could be a video from another channel that perhaps features me as a guest or something along those lines. The latest article, again, you can just click on there to get the latest article. Recent audio, so the last 5 audio podcasts, interviews, whatever kind of audio there is, or obviously ordered from most recent to least recent. And that's the front page. But if you just use this menu bar, you can get all of the other types of podcasts and everything that I have. So for example, if you're looking for, say you have this Indralik Nukes Out video on YouTube, and you click over and you find the audio podcast, what if you want the video MP4 version of it? Well, just click on the videos tab here on the menu bar, and it will bring up the videos. And again, you will be able to see the last 7 or so videos from the most recent to least recent. And lo and behold, oh, there it is Turkey leaving NATO? So you can find it this way, and you can, if you click through onto that, you will actually get to the MP4 video, which you can again download if you need that version of it. Or you can use this drop-down box if you can't find it right away. This is the drop-down box with all of the videos, and you can see every single video, every single title that's on the website. Now hundreds, if not probably over 1,000, I don't know. Lots and lots and lots of videos. So that's how to do that. Or if you hover over audio, it brings down this entire menu. You can go straight to the podcasts, for example, where it's the exact same thing. You can see the podcasts ordered from most recent to least recent. You can bring the drop-down list so you can sort through every single one. And it's the same for all of the various types of audio: interviews, film literature in the New World Order, Questions for Corbett, The Well-Read Anarchist, and the now defunct Corbett Report Radio. Same thing for articles. You can click on articles and you'll get all of the articles in one tab. Or if you're a subscriber and you just want the subscriber newsletter, just click on newsletter and it will bring up the newsletter. And again, there will be the last several of them. You can go to the next page if you want to see the graphics, or if you just want to read the title, you can just click on this and select which one you want to see, and it will take you straight there. So 4 signs the world is not ending, and there it is. And of course, if you are a Corbett Report member, you can log in and get access, or if you aren't, you can find out more and you can sign up for a Corbett Report membership as little as $1 a month. So that's it. That's the basics of the website. Again, you can sign up for a membership, you can buy DVDs, you can contact, you can log in if you are a member. There's the RSS feeds if you want to subscribe to the podcast via RSS. If you don't know how to do that, you can also just subscribe via iTunes or Stitcher or anything else. So there's lots of different ways to do this. I hope that's pretty straightforward, and I hope that answers most of the questions. You might have noticed in the last little while it's been a little bit quieter at the Corbett Report. That's not because I'm taking any time off. It's because I'm working harder than ever, at something that you're not going to see yet. I'm working on 9/11 anniversary coverage that's going to start spilling out across the website in the course of the next week. You will see it when it starts dropping, trust me. So I'm busy working on that. As a result, there will be no subscriber newsletter this weekend. But hold on, 9/11 anniversary coverage and lots of it coming right around the corner. I hope you'll stay tuned. This is James Corbett, CorbettReport.com. Thank you again for your time and your patience.